Now let me introduce you to this kind of piping. It is called underground piping system, where you don't have chambers. In this kind of piping, we eliminate anything called chambers. Okay, the external chambers, we eliminate it. The reason is because with time the external chambers do fade and you have leakages here and there, which causes a lot of bad odor. So what we have done so far is to come up with this method of piping, where you have channels and pipes going underground. That means beneath the superstructure. Okay, so we are going to channel it like this down to the septic tank or down to the settlement. Now what you should do is that, or what you should know rather, is that this kind of piping system doesn't work with the normal kind of pipes. It only works with pressure pipes. For example, this is 8-bar pressure pipe. Now these pipes are very strong and very durable and can last over the years beneath the earth's crust. No matter what happens beneath the earth's crust, is going to last. So what if you watch closely, this system of piping is done using your spirit level. You must have a gradient from the point, from your first point. Now here is the first point. You must maintain a stable gradient. Can you see that gradient going down? This is because as a result of this gradient, the water will be able to flow appropriately down to the septic tank and soak away over there. So I'll take you through from time to time so you can see the steps involved in achieving this unique kind of piping system. It is exclusively unique, less expensive, and and causes less issues or poses less hazard and threats at the end of the day. So you too can decide to try this kind of piping system in your place. I will take you through the process with time so you love it. Thank you.